How are you?
I'm very well, thanks for asking. How about you?
Good, wonderful. So tell me, how is everything going at your place? All is well?
Yeah, yeah, it was good.
Okay, good.
How
So what did
about
you
you?
do? Yeah, all is well. Thank you so much.
Yeah,
And now let me ask you a little bit about your assignment because I think you have already called somebody else and the call was disconnected, right?
yeah, yes, I think, yeah,
Okay, so
yeah,
now I want you to tell me in your very beautiful and positive voice the answer to this question, okay?
yeah.
Does beauty lie only in the eyes of the beholder, or we can boast of something so universally beautiful?
Mm, if you ask me, I think I accept this word like beauty lies in the eyes of a beholder because, uh, for
Yesterday also
suppose,
that
sorry,
uh, I'm saying you were telling me yesterday also that your smile is very beautiful.
yesterday,
No, you were not telling me. Okay, somebody else was
no,
telling.
oh, yeah,
Okay.
yeah, someone else, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
If you ask me, the beauty lies in the eyes of beholder. Yes, I say yes. Like if
It is true.
someone,
Hmm.
yeah, it is true because
Okay.
mm, because it is it depends on how we see the person, how we
How
see
the
our
person.
nature, like that. And I can say the people, those who are externally beautiful, and if they don't have good heart, then we can say
Huh?
that like
They are not beautiful.
they are not
They are
beautiful.
for
Yeah,
them. Use the word pretty only.
yeah, yes. And this what I would like to say on this. Yeah.
So who are the most beautiful people you have met?
Coming to me, I have like my TL is a most beautiful person, kind-hearted person I have ever met, like that. Because he is very genuine. He helps so many people. Even he is in trouble, he tries to help other people also.
Okay. So you tell me,
So,
how is your TL? Tell me a little about your TL.
like
You have to
he's
describe your TL. Like, you've already told me that he has a very kind heart, right?
yes, yeah,
Okay. Why do you think he has a kind heart, warm-hearted person?
yeah.
Why do
He's
you
a
think
warm.
he's a kind and warm-hearted person? Because I feel you are also very kind. Your voice feels very, very kind.
Yeah, I will tell one scenario. Like, he is going for manager post, like exam. There was a exam for eligible for the manager exam. On that day, I was not feeling well. Like,
Okay.
my friends are taking care of me, but
Okay.
at that
That
moment,
unwell. You were very unwell.
sorry,
You were very unwell, I'm asking you.
I'm very unwell. Yeah.
Okay.
Uh, at that moment, without thinking about his exam, he came to me, like, and he booked a cab for me, asking by taking permission of the transportation, and he sent to me to my home. This shows that like he's very like careful to the people, like
And he's very
towards.
selfless. He's not selfish, he's selfless.
Yeah.
Yeah?
He's
Because
selfless.
some people are so selfish, they're only concerned about themselves.
Yeah. Though
Very good.
he's having exam, like
Okay.
for managerial post, like
He left
he's
it.
yeah,
Yeah. He to manage.
means he's not left, but within like 15-20 minutes he's going to that exam. But before, like, what we generally used to do, like if we
Uh-huh.
have any exam, we will sit and prepare. But he did.
Sit and prepare, but he did not do that.
Yeah. That.
That's the beauty part. No, he's a man
Yeah.
with a heart of gold.
Yes, kind, like, very kind, like this. He's very responsible in that situation. I was like so much like, oh my god, he's
How
having
is a
exam, but yeah,
So
that's
you
why I
also
felt.
said about. So did you show your gratitude towards him?
Yes. Every time I feel, if I
Thankful.
get a chance, like I used to tell, like he's very good person, like that. Yeah.
Okay, so word of mouth. You do marketing. You do his good work. The word of mouth marketing. Good.
Yes, I think so.
And did he become the manager in that interview or not?
No, actually, no. And none of like there are so many people like in the huge competition for that. Yeah. Hope he
Yeah,
will.
office has been
Hope
a
he
really
will. He
competitive
will. Yeah. He has so much of talent.
Okay.
Maybe not now. He will.
Next time.
He will definitely be in future.
Okay, and what about you? Are you also waiting for your promotion?
Yes, I'm also waiting for my promotion. Like in that case, like fluency is most important thing. So that's
Correct.
why I'm working on that. Yeah.
And you have already joined Ingvarta, so I think you have already started your preparation for that, right?
Yes.
Very good.
Exactly.
And you tell
Yeah.
me a little about your learning from 2020 because it has not been a very well year, but a lot of people have learned many things.
Yes,
So, what
exactly.
have you learned? Please tell me.
Like we have to be very peaceful of mind. We should
Okay.
not always feel tense. Like this is not there. This is not. Oh my God. Like we should not feel anything.
Greedy.
Life
We should not
goes
feel greedy.
greedy. Not greedy. I'm not in the sense that word, but we should
Unsatisfied.
not.
Not satisfied.
Yeah. No, we should not feel tense. Oh my God. Maybe this may happen. Maybe this may happen. Like that. Yeah.
Or we should
Whatever
not
will
be
happen.
about future, right?
Yeah, worried. Yeah, exact what is, yeah, worried. We have to
Oh,
be, let it be. Hope for the best, like that. Think in a positive way, like that I have learned. And also we have to take few precautions, like that, before like health is wealth nowadays, like that.
okay.
We should not get affected by that. Like no matter how many money you have, uh, health is important. Yeah,
Priority.
this is
That is
a,
our
yeah, priority. Priority.
okay. So we
Yeah.
have to prioritize that way, right?
Yes, exactly.
Okay. And what do you learn from your parents? If I have to ask you, what do you learn from your
Yeah.
boss and parents? What will you tell me?
Coming to my parents, I learned like sincerity. Yeah, like
Very good.
honest to the people, honest to the people who who loves us and who
Okay.
take care of us. We
Okay.
need to, and we need to take care of them back too, like showing gratitude for them.
Yes.
Yeah,
Very good.
and
Like, for
we,
example, you showed gratitude to that person
yeah,
who has been kind
exactly.
to you, right?
Yes, and
Very good.
also
Okay.
responsible for them. Yeah. Hello. Hello, am I audible?
Yes. Apart from this, anything else you have learned from your parents?
Yeah, I think these are the things. Yeah,
They're very
main
supportive
focus.
also, right?
Hello.
Supportive. They're very supportive.
Yeah. Yes, I am.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Now let's talk about your boss. Please tell me
Yeah.
something about your boss.
I learned from him like the
Yes.
kindness, showing kindness to the person is a great and amazing thing. Like, see, he's helping other people. So from other people, what they think, like they are like, they will see him like a god. When trouble comes, if, yeah, they will see him like a god. So that's a beautiful thing. I feel like in other person point of view.
Yes.
Yeah.
For example,
Yeah, that's a real treasure, I feel.
very good. And now let me ask you, what can people learn from you?
Hello.
Yeah, what can people learn from you?
From me,
I think
like
patience.
patience. Yeah, okay.
Yes.
I'm not I can say that I'm not very that okay. I have, okay, few little amount of patience, not few, like not more. from me, what other can learn is honesty.
Okay, honesty, very good.
Who the people who trust me, I won't let them
Break their
feel sorry. Break their trust. That is the main
Okay.
concept for me. If I don't like, I
Very
will
good.
say it on face. I will say them on face, like I am not liking this thing. I am not going to do that thing for them, like that.
Okay. Have you ever felt that there has been a moment like this where you have not felt like doing something for somebody? Or do you think no, you're always charitable?
There are the situations like they will ask few hypothetical scenarios will be there. We can't our way is different and their way is different, so it will be like honesty and dishonesty. So we need to choose between. There's something like hypothetical scenario.
Okay, very good. Now let me give you your feedback, okay?
Yeah, sure, definitely.
So the first thing that you have to do is you have to speak more, okay?
Like
right now you've taken this 15-minute subscription. 15 minutes you talk about the topic in front of the mirror. Before you come to the class. 15 minutes
definitely.
with us and 15 minutes you listen to the recording. Okay, and 15 minutes you can watch news on YouTube. So that will make it a complete 1 hour.
Yeah, definitely.
Right? Whatever doubts you can ask, then you can come and ask us, because that will help you a lot. Okay? Right now you're speaking well, but the only thing is practice. So when you speak in the office, do you speak in Telugu or do you speak in English?
Most of them, if I am surrounded with Telugu people, I will most probably speak in Telugu. But if the people who don't know Telugu, then I will talk in English.
You surround yourself with people who don't know Telugu, okay? Well, that is good. So you have friends who speak English and Hindi?
Yes, I have. But I will change the people, my friends only. Nowadays I'm telling the importance of English. So they also slowly starting in speaking in English.
So have you told your friends to speak English with you?
Yes.
Okay, so are they trying to speak or they are ignoring?
Yeah, they are trying. Sometimes
they will try. Force them, no? If you say I will not speak to you if you not speak English, then they will try.
Yes.
How you scare them?
Yes, definitely.
Okay, let them that if you don't speak in English with me, I will not speak with you. Okay?
It's really wonderful talking to you. Call is about to end.